Tich mag UHC gima koro jo county wacho ni idwane gikaw permanent and pensionable PNP. To giwacho ni sirikal wacho ni gikaw jogo to sirikal ok migi pesa mar chulo jogi. Ere kaka udwaro ni mondo kaw jogi ka pesa michulo gi bende onge.
Trevor, any counties in a problem. You are jo UHC alfaberio non deki igamar gana 2019. To jo ika non deki no me contract money chulogi less money, like 50% of the salary. Nurses they chulo 50%, clinical officers, nutritionists, and the likes. Only doctors may chulo full salary. So there has been that's from 2019. From that time we've had how many ministers? We have had Ramogi Kagwe, Obedo Gina Kumicha, Obedo Gidi Bora, and Obedo Gidi Dualike. To kind of bureau to make people talk about this thing, he promised to actually solve it. And solving it means it needed money. It needed the ministry to budget for 6.2 billion. In this financial year, that was budgeted for. My budget intake is 6.2 billion. From this month, the UHC, Manichulo half salary are getting full salary. But the contract on the Kigo, no obedo signed by each county. You know what? National government only 7,000, but each county contract. But those I think already at the employees of PSC, which is okay. But now the problem comes in counties is permanent and pensionable, ni marpeso se goal. Last, I think 2 weeks ago, President Noah any costs related to converting the UHC to PNP, national government Bogolo. The counties are saying, no, we don't trust national government. Company when they go to PNP, okay, PNP barua, person no kribiro.
Gidwaro pesa no.
Gidwaro pesa no mukongo kwa getini. Tope jirani pesa tema counties yudo akani.
Sirikal mo.
National government. Amo migilo so budget for everything else. Mar losondara, mar hospital, mar all these things. Kaso pesa biro bange. Yet mar UHC ni giwa chinde pana nyakane mondi. Okay, the money is in a way of gedwa gini. Most of the time counties are on the jogi. Gero timo. Gero there's this mapendeleo ni marka kindi kujito governor nige joge ka MCs nige joge kila wa nige joge. Kwa hiyo monde kito migi ma competent manya timu teach mostly kelo siasa. There's no way ina wajuni nyaka kel pesa ma the next financial year kuko confirm yet pesa ma this year ose yet all the other monies for all activities in the county are actually through the budget process. So kanya mwana yuni counties nige tama nige gino ikelo kuko manjire sector kai. Kinyo kata wachimara salary remuneration commission ma nyisi no goal directive last financial year mondo pesa mi jo teach te national government no comply, counties no comply nego wachi ni gionge pesa na tipejo gini ango monu kete budget last year ko ne ti getting a budget sani esatizo gini chuluru por gida ge chulo. So that is one moment ni ntire tamamoro ma jo governors o jo magendeko o ketge yo maber opogore counties matin to timo gi bende matiyo
koro sector mar thieth ni kare ango makoro nyaka tim